use some bank apps, like I will not use it again. You know, ask them, why are you not going to use it again? What's the problem? Oh, some people say I can't withdraw, or I can't send money. Slow, not fast. This, So you'd go to them, you'd em- you empathize, you get to know the problem and focus on the person or problem that you are serving. You'll find ways to serve them better. Help their love be better each day for that product. So you empathize first. When you are thinking of, you know, solving a solution or bringing out a product, you first empathize. Then secondly, is to discover. That's after you've gotten their problems and everything, you'd do your research, narrow down your problem to the root cause. Jump in with an open mind without criticism or opinions. Seek to understand before you are understood. So you discover. After empathy, you do what? Discover. Make research on that problem that the user is going through. Then the third one is ideate. That the key, I'm just giving the key design thinking. Ideate. That's be imaginative. Great ideas to solve the problem you identify in step 2. Create ideas to solve the problem you identified in step 2. That's third process. And the fourth, prototype. Prototype, place the concept of being perfect aside. Embrace failure to master the process. Don't be cautious. When you want to prototype, this is bringing the design life, making it interactive. All the problems and solutions you've gotten in your research, put them together. Solve this problem. You make this product interactive, make it user-friendly. That's where prototyping comes in. Prototyping, easy to navigate. There's some websites you enter today and you can't finish doing what you want to do. Log out is problem. You'll find logouts, not see it. You understand? There are some websites you go to that you push a goods to cart and you will find the cart tire. You will not see the cart. But after you even see the cart to check out another problem. There's a website I went to check out from that website. It will ask you to fill all your biodata. You fill form as if you are filling JAM form. Not user friendly. You make things easy. That's the work of user experience, how it functions. Make it that when you go to this website, it's not as if now there are some sites that before when you go to a website, when you want to sign up, when you want to create the website, they will ask for your date of birth. They can even ask for your father's name, ask for your mother's name, ask for everything. And be like, what's this? But now you notice that some websites, you just sign up with your Google. That's making it, very friendly and interactive. Not that you want to enter a website and fulfill all your life information. You understand? So that's user experience. And the next one, after prototype, is text. You test everything you've done. You test everything you've done. So, any question? I'm just trying to run through this because so the platform we're using is we all have Figma on our laptop. Figma.com. Let's just Figma, Figma, Figma.com. Let's just do a design. What do you want to say? For the UX, right? Sketch. So if you do the design and there's a problem, you start again. So it's better you get, when you sketch, when you do the low fidelity wireframe, so send it out. Let them see your roadmap. Let them see the flow chart. And when you do that sketch, show it to them, and they will tell you that, okay, this navigation is not good, or this is not needed. So that when you start designing can take a lot of timing, process, and everything. By the time you now notice a mistake in your design, start all over again, take another time, and that long process. So the best thing is the results you get from your experience, from what you've done, the research, is better you validate it before you now go into proper design. You understand? You can design if you have the time and you have the power to code anything, you can design. And you see, I've done design that I didn't go through the user experience. They just gave me the product. I'm like, okay, I just went to check for other products, existing products like that, then put my own idea together, did the prototype and everything. That's the user interface, not the user experience now. I finished it and there was issue with the product. They didn't accept it. So I now have to go back to user experience, start all over again, start making my research, doing everything. Then you will now start to look for color, you start to look for icons, a lot of time. So the best thing is to validate the sketch first. Ask questions, either your team members, the stakeholders, the clients and users. Validate it, know that, okay, what you've done, functions are okay. If it is going to drive well, but it's not going to drive well, so from that to your sketch. But you now design that you will not waste time. That's just it. So, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Customer.
Okay, I was saying that the question is under the user experience, which comes first? Is it possible that if I'm actually given a project and I've spoken with the stakeholders, I've done my research with the prospective customers, I've looked at the flow chart and the likes. You just mentioned color, icons, and the likes. Is it possible that I have different pages, just like the flow chart have different stage points? Each of those stage points, can I have a physical, maybe print out that give me a design or a sketch of what I'm expected to have on each of those stage points, so that we can have an agreement with the stakeholder on color, which we also blend with the research I've done with the prospective customers on the interface, how they want maybe it's a product page, how they want the product to be staged, what the color looks like, how they want transition to look like. Is that possible?
So when you are about to work on a product, when you're talking to the stakeholders, either the client or the company, you talk. There's a brief they give you, and that brief, that's where talk about the brand color, talk about icon, like the logo and other things. Mostly logo, brand color that you work with, and every other thing you do. When you have the brand color in mind and you have the logo, you can first work on when you work on the experience. It's when you are not about to build a website. That's where Now work with those colors. You can't work with the color when you're doing it. The experience is naked, it's without color, without anything, it's just sketch. When you're now starting with the interface, yes, that's where you build. That's where you ID. That's where you now put the colors together. You put logo and every other thing. Pictures, maybe company has pictures to put on the website. Product, if it's a phone call, give you, the pictures of the everything. Meanwhile, on the user experience, you would have cached it that okay, this is where the logo will be, this is pictures will be, this is where buttons will be, where this will be. So when you now move to the user interface, you now start to implement those things. Yeah. So any other question? Should we move on? Now let's do a design. You have to create an account if you don't have one. You can use your Google, that will not waste time. Just sign in Google. Okay, so because I already have an existing account, I will just have to go around and yeah, continue with Google. Yes, let's just continue with Google because to take time, Figma.com. Enlarge. Let's just set up the account first. Yeah. How do you plan to use personal project? Login. But you have Google. Personal project. Which role best describe you? Fine. There's a flash drive here. Flash drive. What do flash drive? Oh, yeah. just pictures and have all the all have the material. To design a landing page. Let's say Mr. Gabriel is what's the name of your company? Awesome. So do we all have So anytime you come, just bring. Are we ready? Are you ready? Let me give you. Okay, so we want to design a landing page. Most websites, when you visit a website, the first thing you see is a landing page. If you go to any website you go to, let's go to gg.ng. You see what this is a landing page for GG, right? This is the landing page. If we go to Jumia.ng, the first thing you see is the landing page. So most products, this is the landing page for Jumia. So most products that you interact with on websites, the first thing is the landing page. There are some that is not the landing page. You might see the sign up page first. They call it the onboarding. You can see the maybe create an account first before you now get access to the page. So, and there are some, let's say we want to go to this church. You have a website here, right? Okay, so let's just design a website for Gabriel's company. It sells phone, right? Okay. So now we all have this interface on our system. We all have this interface. Are we ready? Click design. Are you ready, sir? Because we have to start together. We have to start. Can you hear me? So now this platform is Figma. This is where we'll be designing the landing page. This is where you do everything when it comes to websites, when it comes to prototyping, when you want to design a product, either web app, anything digital products. You can use Figma. There's Adobe XD, but the popular one is Figma. So now you have a panel to your right and another panel to your left. Are we ready? Yes. If you look at this, that's where you call the main menu. That place is where, you can have the file, you have the edit, you have, you can add the image and everything through this panel. Plugins. Figma works with plugins. If you want to have icons, you want to have pictures on Figma, you can get it through these plugins. You have to install most of these plugins from Figma. And you can't use Figma without the network, without accessing the internet. It won't work. You always need to, be connected to the internet for it to work, particular Figma. You can also download the app, but you need the internet. So you have the asset. This asset, this is where, when you are designing, there's something we call components. You create components. And when design, do you have something like this? Then you click on design. Click on design. Then it takes you to this interface. Are you there now? So you can see the panel on the right and on the left. Right? So, are you following? Are you following? So this is what we'll be using. This is what we'll be needing. This move tool, that's the move tool. That's what you use to move elements and components around on Figma. Then this frame, this is the frame tool. This frame tool, this is what we'll be using to choose. Click on it. Click on the frame tool. Then on your right panel, or the right-hand side of your panel, you have different sizes, different resolution of either your desktop, your phone, If it is a web app, that's your mobile app. Maybe you want to do mobile app design for a company or something. You use your phone. You can choose any of the sizes. Yeah. The one we use more is, I think, phone 14 and 15 Pro Max. And when you click on it, to give you this. Right? That's how to choose a frame that you'll be working on. Done that, right? But we're not using that. Delete it. Just press backspace. Done, right? Are we following? Then go back to that frame. Go back to that frame. Because it's a landing page and we are doing it for a web app. That's a website. Websites are mostly desktop size, right? Desktop. So we would go to our desktop. And we will choose desktop. Are we there? So you can still. So let me go back again. I want to delete it. Now we have the interface, right? Figma interface. What we'll be using more is the tools on the nav bar on below the Figma interface. We have the move tool, the frame, rectangle. That's if you want to draw boxes. And we have the pen tool. This one, if you want to draw lines and any other thing. Beside it, You have the pencil, you have the pen. You have the text. This is the text. T. Text. This is if you are working with a team, you can comment. If it's a product you are working with a team and you need to comment on a particular part of the product, you just click on comment and you type in your comment there. This is the menu. This is a menu where you can use your plugins. This place, you can use your plugins. You can also access this place here on the left-hand side, the menu on the left-hand side, where you can add file if you want to create a new file, if you want to edit and view, do your, everything, text and everything. You can also access it here. Some of the tools. What's happening? Okay. So now go back to your frame because we are working on a landing page. Go back to your frame. Choose desktop because the landing page is desktop size. Do we all have this? X. So you go to the left-hand side. Are you following? Your frame, the left panel, choose your desktop, and it gives you this rectangular box. This is where we're designing our landing page. We said landing page is the first thing you see when you visit a website. So now, we want to design a landing page. The first thing we design, we call it hero section. Hero section is the first part of a website. When you visit the website, the first part is the hero section. What you see first, like the advert of the website, like see some place you say welcome to, we call it the hero section. Before you now go to the body, that's the section where you now have products that you want to interact with. And the last part is the footer. Call this part the footer, where it carries either the address of the company and some other things, other information. So the first thing first is the hero section. We're going to design the hero section, the first thing you see on a website, when you visit the website, the hero section. So, just follow me, sir. I have to drop this mic. So we have the frame. Can you hear me? We have the frame. Now the first tool we're going to make our rectangle. Can you select it? You have to be fast about it. Select the rectangle. Just select it. Is it here? Yeah, select it. When you select the rectangle, no. So when you select the rectangle, you want to draw a layer. Look at the angle and put it. Then you click. And you draw. How the rectangle. Can you see what I'm doing? Then you release it. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Just use the frame that we've created. Yes. Okay, so now, if there's no particular measurement, just let's say use 1440, then the height 1539. Just have it like that. Are we there? We can adjust the size later. Make sure that the box align with the frame we created, the first frame. You should not have something like this, see, or like this. It must align with. Can you see it? Are you following? So now we want to choose a color. Let's say the color Gabriel's company sells iPhone. They want to build a landing page facing, the product, the iPhone, pictures, and everything that's going to be on the landing page. So the brand color we're working with is black. So we'll choose black. Now go to your right-hand panel. The right-hand panel where you see fill. Fill. This is where you add colors, pick your font, align your elements. This right-hand panel, this is where you do all these things. So you see fill, you click on the box, that white box. Are you following? Then you choose black. You choose black. Now you can draw, look at this color palette. Yeah? You can draw that circle to, if you look at the color code, you see 0000 here. So make sure the black is 0000. You can just use this circle in your color palette. Choose the black. Just take it down. Are you there? Are you following? Yeah, so the next thing we want to do is to, let's say, bring in a logo. Because one of the things you see on the landing page first, the first thing you see is the logo of the company, right? So let's get the logo. This is how you get the logo. You go to your menu, main menu. You go to main menu, use it here. Or you can use this here. Actions. You can click here. You can click on actions or you click on your main menu. So we want to install a plugin. You go to plugins. If you are here, if you click on this, plugins is the next, this on the third icon. Can you see it? Are we following? plugins and widgets. So now we want to install a plugin. So I have my own plugin already. So let's all go to this side of the panel, this side of the interface panel. Go to these plugins. Just follow me. This menu. Click on it. Because in the account, mine in my own. I have the plugins. Show you how you call those. So you go to this. If you have the existing plugins, you can just here and just choose. Because I'm already a former user. But for you that you are a new user, you have to come to this panel, this left-hand side, choose plugins. Then you go to manage plugins. Click on manage plugin. Then type in Iconify. Yes. All or run. When you have it, you click on the Iconify, it brings you. So do you have it? So what you want to search for, let's just get an Apple logo. Apple. Just click on Apple, just type Apple. Give you this. Are you following? So we'll choose one of the icon. Use that our logo. We're going to use this. Let's choose. So now have these things. You can check the details to check the size of that particular look icon. So we are going for yes, let's use the first one. Just click it. It will give you options. See, import as frame, import as component. Have you clicked on it? Import as frame, you have two options. We're going to import it as frame. Import it as a frame. Click on it. And it will add that icon to interface. When you have done this, don't change anything. You have to close that bar. The Iconify bar, close it. Now you see the Apple icon on your interface. You can drag it anywhere, but just leave it there. Now, want to enlarge this icon more. Want to enlarge it. Are you ready? Ah. Okay. Network is slow on your own, right? Not showing. It's showing. my icon. So I want to increase it. Now, when you want to increase, you can zoom in on this, your frame. For me now, just I can zoom in and out. For if you want to zoom in, that's why I asked you to come with a mouse. Mouse, you just press Control down and you're pulling and out. So if you want to do that now, I think press Control and your mouse pad, that up or down. I don't know if it works for you. Depending on the mouse pad, so I don't know. That's why I asked everyone to come with their mouse. Because you need to do something fast. But let's leave that now. This icon, I want to increase it. I want to increase the size. You see that it has 4 angles, right? Angle has this small box. Now you set your cursor on one of the box. Down. Let me increase. You hold down your shift key. Please listen. Hold down your shift key. Your shift key. So now, let me show you something. Look up. If you can't find the Apple icon because it's really small, go to file side on this file. Now this place, you see all the assets. Sorry. You can find anything you're looking for. That's how to locate most of these things. And you can rename any icon. You can rename any icon you bring into this interface. You can rename any icon. Like this Apple we got now, if you want to rename it, just double click. When you double click, and you change the name to Apple icon. Change the name to Apple icon so that you can quickly get your element component using the names. Have you renamed it? So now let's enlarge the icon. Let's enlarge it. To enlarge it, your shift key down is follow. The shift key down, hold the shift key down. Then set the cursor on the side. Are you looking at it? Are you following? Set the cursor on the side on one of the angles. You can put it here, you can here. So you can see when you drag like this, freeze. You hold your shift down. Yes. Hold the shift down. Set your cursor on one of the angles of the eye. Then left click and drag it down. Freeze. Have you done that? Can we see it? So now I want to change this icon to white. Because if we look at it, we're having a black background here. Having a black background here, and we want to bring this icon to that black background. If we put it here, we see the icon, right? Let's change it to white. So now to change to white, how do you change to white? You go to your right-hand panel, inspection panel. Call it inspection panel too. This panel, you go to fill. When you want, So let me explain something. There's one. Look up, please. Look at the icon. Now, if you want to drag icon, if you select the vector inside that, the icon now comes with frame is that box. So if you select the vector and you drag that vector, you see what happened. See what happened. It won't drag everything. It affects frame. They're only dragging the icon inside the. So Control Z, don't do that. You have to select frame everything to select it. The shift, choose the angle, and drag down. Now change it to white. Change that icon to white. Come to your fill. Click on the fill and change change the icon to white. You have to now select the vector. Select the vector. Select the vector, not all the. Then go to your fill that is black. Change it to white. Now, on white, when you want to drag, make sure you select all frame. Select all the frame. If you select only the vector, you drag only the picture icon out of it. Are you following? Select, and you put it, drag it up. So the next thing now, let's take Oreo. One more thing. There's something we forgot to do. When you want to start, I'm ready. That's why I just keep. When you want and line. There's something we call layout. You have to put, is this still working? Okay. You have to put your layout, your grid first, so that it will help you with alignment, with proper alignment. So let's do that. We already have this line, but we can still do it. Now you select the desktop. Select the desktop. That desktop. Select it. Go to your right panel. When you go to the right panel, underneath it, you see layout grid. Click on layout grid. Can you see? Can you see what it brings? Are you following? Let me go back again. So when you click on desktop, select all the elements. You can select it like this, or you can go to the left panel and select desktop. Once you've selected it like this, go down to layout grid on your right panel, the inspection panel. You see layout grid. Yes, layout grid. Click on it. Just layout grid. Are we following? Click on the layout grid. The right panel. Are we following? Have you seen it, sir? The right panel. Then a pop-up, a box pop-up will come out by the left, right? When you select your desktop, make sure the desktop is selected. This. When you select it, you come to the right-hand panel, right? Scroll up. You see layout grid. This is it. No layout grid there. We skipped this part. We're not supposed to skip it. When you want to start a design, the first thing you do after you've selected, if it's a mobile app or a desktop, once you select the frame, the size, do your layout grid first. It helps with alignment. It will help to align your components, your elements well. You understand? So now let's set the grid. Let's set the grid. You go to, you see where the right grid in that box, click on it. You see it will bring out a down. Yes, click on column. Click on column. Now let's set, you see where the right count. Let's set it to 20. Not showing. Hello, please listen. So this is what you do. This is what you do. It's either you delete that frame, delete it again, add a desktop frame, and the first thing you do your layout grid. Now the icon, you can close. So look at something. If you want to, let me show you something, please. Look at this icon. Look at this icon. If you want to hide this icon, like you don't want anything to affect it, when you go to the left panel, there's something like an eye. Just click on it to hide the icon. And hide it. And you can also, there's a padlock. You can lock it. So nothing will affect it. You can lock it. Now, I saw someone's design. The box, this box here, was like this. Not properly aligned, right? To avoid that, you can also lock that box. You can lock it so that when you are dragging anything, it won't affect that box. Just go to your left panel and you click on the padlock. Rectangle. That black rectangle. The same way you locked the icon. Done. Okay, so don't worry, IT is easy. You will get it in Jesus' name. So, Gabriel, where are you? the count to 80. Now, small. Let's align it our layout grid. So for me, there's something if you want to do your work, like if you want to know that okay, there's a play button, that play button there. Everybody click on it. To take you to another tab. See on the right hand side, that play button. When you click on it, it will take you to another tab beside. Can you see it? Why is my network slow? You clicked on that play button. I just want to show you. You can preview what you are doing presently. So here's desktop. I am the I. Sorry, there's something happening. When you previewed, what coming up? Desktop. I'm coming. There's something wrong. Okay, so this is the issue. This microphone is okay. It's okay. When you go to prototype, look at the go to prototype. And you go to now prototype settings. You have iPhone 16 Plus. That's for people that the preview is showing as mobile. Not if it's desktop, just leave it like that. Eh? No device good. Are you following, sir? No. So you can select no device, or you select no device, then you play it again. Yes. So have you seen it? Are you following? Let's go. Please, let's continue. Now we can preview that this Apple logo is very big. Just tap on arrow side. Arrow, your arrow, side arrow to move it. Just tap it to be increasing or decreasing. Make sure if the icon is not selected, it will not move. Now, have we done that? Have we done that? Have we done that? Adam, how is it going? So you have 85 and 60, right? Designer, are we ready? Next thing is, let's have our text. Let's have our text written there. So on top, that's the nav bar. Now you click on T, this T down here, add text. This T is to add text to, are we there? Are we there? So now you click to activate that text. Just click, just one click on the arrow section. Just click. You see the icon blinking. Have you seen it? So you see this icon. You see one. You see the have it. Now type home, home. Just type home. Home. Type home. You might not see it very well because it's tiny, right? Type home, then we'll increase it. Now, to increase this text, click outside the text. Just click outside the text. Click like this. Just click. So it will give you the edit frame that you can edit it. Now you come to the left, the right panel, your inspection panel, and you see where you have typography. Typography, right? You see the font. You see inter, you see regular, you see 12. Yeah. Let's increase it to 6. On typography, you see under it, you see inter, you see regular, you see 12, or what number that is there. That's the font size. You click on it, there's an arrow down beside it. Click on it so that you choose. So you choose 16. 16 will give you not regular. Beside it, you see a number. That's the font number size. To change the size, can you see it? Now choose 16. It's on 12. Most of us will have 12 there. It's on 16 now, so you can see the text well, right? Now, if you can't see your what you are doing, well, you can zoom in, zoom out. How you zoom in is if you are using a mouse, hold down Control and you understand? Or you can just go to your preview. When you go to your see the home, right? See the home, you can well. So go back to your page. Yes, that play button. You can just go back. You can just go to the tab, hide it, see what you are doing. I understand. So now go back to, let's go to the home. Let's duplicate this text. Please follow. Duplicate this text. Want to duplicate this. Want to have home. Want to have categories. Want to have maybe about us, contact, different things. Now to duplicate this, you can just normal way we know it. Control C and Control V. Now when you do Control C, Control sorry. So when you do Control C and Control V, it will duplicate that particular text. Now to get the text, you have to drag it out of that home. Let me do it again. If you do Control C and Control V at the same time, you won't see the text because they're on each other. Now to see it, you have to drag it out like this. Can you see it? But if you want to do it a professional way, Control C, Control copy, and Control V, Control paste. Copy and paste. You do it one after the other. Are we there? Are you following? Are following? Sir. If the internet is not working, you will not be able to. You don't have internet. Please, let's be fast. Are you following? Are you there? Gabriel, we're good, right? Are we following? Please, let's move fast. Now, another way to duplicate. Please look at it. Another way to duplicate. When you've done this one is kind of, you can just click on that particular text. click on Alt. That move tool your icon must be on the text. Click on Alt. You see a double move tool. See that the icon becomes two. One black, one white. Can you see it? Press the Alt down. Yes. Yes. So now you have to drag it out like with the Alt press down. Drag it out. So something happened now. Please look at something. Please look at something. Please look at something. Now, that lady over there, her text could not see it. She could not access it. This is what happened. Look at it. If you look at this text, now, this place, this order matters. If you bring this underneath rectangle, see what happens. That text disappears. Let me show it. Let me do it again. If we bring this text, this one, if we bring it under that black rectangle here, you will not see it because it's beneath the rectangle, black, and it is white. That one is black. You see it. So you have to be careful with arrangement, the order of your elements and components. Are we following? Are we following? So now we have three text here, right? This is the home. Let's just put this as categories. So the way you would edit it, you would double tap the text. Copy, paste, and you drag the text out. Have you done that? Then the next one, double click. Next one, double click. And let's change it to, what can we have there? Gabriel. What else do you do on your? And let's just put cat. But it's not supposed to be there though. Let's put that. Let's double click. Landing page. Landing page. So let's duplicate. Everybody duplicate text. Yes, product type. Product type. Are we following? Just ask me. So if you want to edit a text, you double click it. Double click it. Now you know how to duplicate. Just duplicate your text. Are you following? Are we there? Gabriel. Now let's change this last one, this cat. Let's put about us. Because we are trying to rush this. That's why we are moving fast. Time. Are we listening? The logo and the text, nav bar, navigation bar, navigation bar. So now we want to align everything together. All this, you see that it's not properly aligned, right? So if we want to, we have to select everything. This, we have to select for text. Are you following? Let's leave the look. Let's align the text. So you hold your shift down. Hold the shift down. Hold the shift down. Are you following? Hold your shift down and select all the text. Let me do it again. Click on home. Click on one of the text. When you click on it, hold your shift down. Then select these categories, select the product type, and select the about us. So now you have all the text selected. Sir, are you following? Sir? We done that. Let's be fast. Have you done it? So now to align this, if you go to the right hand panel, where you see position, alignment, right? Now to make that text properly aligned together, you go to align vertical center. Can you see what I'm doing? Align vertical centers. Click on it. Align vertical centers. Now, when you do that, to align the text, you see that it's on a straight line, right? Now, if you want to give it proper margin, equal margin, you go to, I want to say something. There's a menu box beside it, beside that alignment on the right. Can you see it? Yeah. When you click on it, something will pop up. Then you click on distribute horizontal spacing. Distribute horizontal spacing. It will give it equal space. You get that? Now, you can zoom in your stuff so that you can see everything properly. Logo, want to align with this logo now. That it be on. Now, when you deselect your text, you have to select everything back. Are we following? let's put it to let's put it to 80. No, let's have it at 100. Sorry. Yes. And the height, let's have it at 40. Width is 100. The height 40. We have to be fast. I think it is still small because we are going to. This thing is disturbing me. I can't select my tab. Okay, it's low. It's always come down. Oh, actually. Ish. So now that button, I will follow in. Let's increase it to 120. It's too, yes, the width. Yeah. About so now I want to write on that. Let's have it as, when we want to make users to do something on the page, we call these buttons call to action. You want them to notice that page. It's either you can't make it white. You can't make it, some make it black. It's either you make the box black, then the text on it will be red. They use red colors as call to action or any color that is close to maybe red, or some people use yellow, but it's mostly red, right? So for us to have this, uh, let's choose a color. Let's use red for the background color for that box. Yes, fill. You know how to fill color now. Go to Are you getting it? Are we getting it? Are we there? Now I want to put text. You want to write something on that box. Click on your T. For shortcuts, you can just press T on your keyboard. Yes. Then now click on align vertical center. Do it. Let's go. Have you gotten it? Click on the text. It will bring out. So are we there? Now let's group this text and the box together so that the text will be inside the box and it will not move out of that box. It's selected, right? Your text and the box is selected. How do you group? Control what? Control G to group. Control G to what? Group. Are you writing it down? Control G to group. Do you have it grouped? Let's move. Are you there? The text and the box. So now I want to align your button, the text, and the logo together. Then group it. I think we know how to do that. The button, the text, and the logo. We want to group it together so that it should be on the same line. Then when it's on the same line, you now group it. You group that together. So it will become your now. Are you there? So have you grouped this one? You've grouped it, have you? So when you move it, it's the button that is moving. So now, if you want to group this, select this, and select logo. You press your shift down. You select the button. I haven't grouped my own. So I just grouped my own now. You select this, shift down, you select this, and shift down, you select the logo. Do you see it? Can you see it? So now you do align vertical centers. Go to your alignment, align vertical centers. You see that it's properly aligned now. Right. Sit down. Select the button. You will get it now. Is it still down? Click on Ctrl Z to undo.
So
Ctrl Z to undo.
we try to align centrally, vertically, sometimes.
That's what I don't like. So this, you select this. So now look at something. This text.
That's extra space. Extra space.
Not even extra space. I think it's doing. That's extra space. So it's not fitting into the.
It would be.
So this is sign. Right. Edit it. So edit it, select and do this. You do this. Align. Then they group. But let them do it by themselves. Tell them to put in the text and group again. Oh yeah. Are we there? Have you aligned it? Sir, is it aligned? Select the button. Have you grouped the button?
Yes.
Group the button. Good. Then your shift down. Select the text. This text that you have here. That group text. Then don't remove your hand though. Don't remove your hand from shift. Then select the right. When you do this, you come to align vertical and you click on align vertical. When you click on align vertical, it is properly aligned. After you've aligned vertical, you go back to your alignment and do the distributed horizontal spacing. Distributed horizontal spacing. That's you go back to this place. Distributed vertical spacing, sorry.
That's just the vertically centralize it at.
Yeah.
This is it. Should
Yeah, select this.
central, right? This right, not this right. This is vertical central.
The problem is it. This this
To the frame.
is the frame. They select this. This and this.
What's it called?
Guys. Yeah. So we have it aligned, right? So have you done the horizontal distribution? Horizontal distribution. Are we done? Now, when you are done with everything, group it. It's the main button. Inside that alignment. Click on it. The pop-up will come up. You see down one, horizontal then it's properly aligned, right? So when you do that, group it like that together. Control G to group. So we are done with the navbar, right? We are done with the navbar. Are you done? So let's move on to. Are you done? Are you done? Let's move on to adding like a welcome text. That's the name of the company or anything, right? What's the name of your company again? Eh? Gabriel. So text, select your text. And type maybe Akin's gadgets, Victor's gadgets, anything. Just type something there. We can have because the pictures I gave to you, they are phones. So do gadgets. Anything gadgets or phones. You can put Apple phone stores. I want to show you something real quick. Please look up. If you look at this text bar, are you listening? Look up this. If you want to give it more spacing, this is what we can do. You come to if you look at this layout, there's where you can see layout here. There's spacing. You see that the spacing is 15. You can increase it. When you drag it out, you see that it's increasing. Can you see? Can you see? So let's put it to 45. You can just type 45. Select the text. Make sure you select that text. You can type 45 there. Just to give it enough space. Just to give that text space. You got it? That's good. So now back to our Apple. Coming that way. Yes, you can try align it. You have to select the three. And are you getting it? Are you getting it? When you select this, you go to layout under your inspection panel. See, yeah, layout. Under layout, see spacing. $45. Are we getting it? So let's work on the welcome text. This text now, it has to be large, it has to be bold. So people can know where they are coming to. Like, okay, oh, welcome to so shop. You know, they can see where they are coming to, right? So we have to increase the font. We can increase it to 60. No, like the Apple, what did you write there? Yes, yes. So increase it. Yes. You go to typography and you increase it. You can increase it to 48. Are we seeing it? Beside bold, yeah. No, beside bold or regular. The number 48. I think it's on 12 or 16. So put it to 48. Good. Increase the fonts. Or you can just put Apple Font Store. You can write this. You know, then increase the font to 48. Please, we'll have to go on break soon. We have to go on break soon. Let's finish this hero section, at least. Are we done with that? Yeah. So now I want to align it to the center. Click on it. Go to your alignment. And click on Align Horizontal Center. Please be fast. Align Horizontal Center. By 12:30, we're supposed to go on break. Align Horizontal Center. Everyone, please check the measurements. What's the distance between your nav bar, navigation bar, and the frame? Can you check? Do you know how to check that? This, your nav bar and the frame. Alt. Just click on Alt. My own is 60. Next thing, when you get to some websites, listen up. After you see the name, you see something like a welcome message, like fast and reliable company, this, that. They just put one short message underneath the name of whether the company, the brand, or anything. So let's add a text. Let's add a text. Meanwhile, the name of the brand should not be far from the navbar. Let's just have it as 60. You already done that. Watch, please. We can have it at 60 or we can have it at 50. Just make sure it's properly aligned. Now, the next thing, text. Let's add, we can't start typing because of time. There's something we call dummy test, like a demo test. We just put text that is not just random. So to do that, you click on your T, click on T. Now, we're going to use that T to draw a box. That box would import text into that box, like maybe just 2 or 3 sentences, right? So we'll draw a rectangle underneath the name of the brand with that text tool. Then you leave it. If you look at the cursor, the text cursor is large because if we import any text, it will be very big and we don't want it to be that big. So let's change it to, you go to your typography and change it to 24. Right? Everything. You see that the icon has reduced. Are you getting it? Let's add pictures now. Hey, text. Let's finish this text. Go back to your plugins. Go to your plugins, main menu. Go to plugins. Look for Lorem. Type Lorem. Oh yeah. Let's finish this hero section. Go to plugins. Go to plugins. Type Lorem. Lorem. Yeah, this is it. You go here, you click on plugins, manage plugins, and you type Lorem. Take the first one. You click on it, Lorem Ipsum by DIV. Okay, you click it. There's run. Click on run. Or you just click it. It will bring out. Are you getting it? It's loading. So you have to select a layer. Close it again. Close that, Lawrence. That's box. That text box. We need it. If we don't select a text box, that Lorem will not work. So I said you will draw a rectangle with that text box. When you click on T, use it to draw a rectangle out. Then you leave it. Right? When you've done this, when you have this, now go back to Lorem. Go to Lorem, activate Lorem. Go to your plugins, Lorem. So I think the lorem is out, right? Yes, sir. Have you gotten your lorem? Huh? Okay, that's all. We can just so I've got it, lorem. So you need text to that box. Have you done that? So this is what you do. You'd use lorem. So we have something like this, right? Are we here? We have something like this.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So in between you, so the lower the plugins, right?
Yeah.
Then we go to manage plugins. Have you? And type Lorem. So we can always select it. Okay, this one.
So we are here. We have the text there. Click on T. Use that text to draw out a rectangle, right? Go to Lorem, plugin, manage plugin. Then you see a box. You see something 5 generates. You see a number 5. You change it to 2. Now, we are done with that. Make sure that this and your nav bar is either 50 or 60. This and this, let's make it, look at this text and the name of the brand or something, make it 20. Now I want to add pictures to this. Are you listening? For us to add picture, we need more space, right? We can increase this. We can increase this like this. Just come here and drag that black box, that black rectangle. Just drag it down a bit. See, please look at it. Oh, drag it down a bit, just to have space, just to have enough space to put our picture. Drag it back. Huh? Generate here. Generate. Are we here? So let's put in our image now. So for us to put in the image, you go to, do you have enough space on it? Yo, are you there? My brother, are you there? Are you there? My sister, are you there? Yes. If the rectangle is locked, unlock it. Oh, if it's locked, unlock it. So for us that have the bootcamp material, we are going to choose. Are you following me? We are going to choose a picture from that folder. This is how we'll do it. You go to your main menu. This. You click on Objects. Please hold on.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. You go to 5. The way I do it is different. I want to show you the proper way. If I'm the one, I'll just drag pictures inside. Go to File. You go to your file and you go to Place Image. Now, Ma, you don't have those pictures. Do you have the pictures there? Yes, you have it on that. Okay, so you don't have it. Oh, that's good. So you click on Place Image. Click on place image. Now I have the material on my own desktop. Bootcamp materials, right? Then you can preview the pictures. Is this particular picture I want to use? This one, the figure PNG, figure.png, this particular picture. You can preview it. Have you seen it? Figure.png. No, there's a particular on figure.png. Look at the picture. This. Please, we have to go on break now.